Class 12, Chapter 7, Evolution, Examples and Important Points. Evolutionary biology is the study of history of life forms on Earth. Stellar distance are measured in light years. The universe is very old, almost 20 billion years old. The Big Bang theory attempts to explain to us the origin of universe. In the solar system of the Milky Way galaxy, Earth was supposed to have been formed about 4.5 billion years back, and life appeared 500 million years after the formation of Earth, that is almost 4 billion years back. Earth was supposed to have been formed about 4.5 billion years back. There was no atmosphere on early Earth. Water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide and ammonia released from molten mass covered the surface. For a long time, it was also believed that life came out of decaying and rotting matter like straw, mud, etc. This was the theory of spontaneous generation. Spontaneous generation theory was dismissed by Louis Pasteur. Oparin of Russia and Halden of England proposed that the first form of life could have come from free existing non-living organic molecules, examples RNA, protein, etc. And that formation of life was preceded by chemical evolution, that is formation of diverse organic molecules from inorganic constituents. In 1953, S.L. Miller, an American scientist, created similar condition in a laboratory scale. He created electrical discharge in a closed flask containing methane, hydrogen, ammonia and water vapor at 8000 Celsius. He observed formation of amino acids. The first non-cellular forms of life could have originated 3 billion years back. They would have been joint molecules, RNA, protein, polysaccharide, etc. The first cellular forms of life did not possibly originated till about 2000 million years ago. These were probably single cells. All life forms were in water environment only. Theory of spatial creation. This theory has three connotations. One, that all living organisms, species or types that we see today were created as such. Two, that the diversity was always the same since creation and will be the same in future also. Three, that Earth is about 4000 years old, based on observation made during a sea voyage in a sail ship called HMS Beagle around the world. Charles Darwin concluded that existing living forms share similarities to varying degree, not only among themselves but also with the life forms that existed millions of years ago. Alfred Wallace, a naturalist who worked in Malaya archipelago, had also come to similar conclusions around the same time. The same structure developed along different direction due to adaptations to different needs. This is divergent evolution, and these structures are homologous. Homology indicates common ancestry. Other examples are vertebrate, herds or brains. In plants also, the thorn and tendrils of bougainvillea and cucurbita represent homology. Figure 7.3a. Homology is based on divergent evolution. Analogous structure are result of convergent evolution. Different structure evolving for the same function and hence having similarity. Examples of analogy are the eye of the octopus and mammals of the flippers of penguin and dolphins. Sweet potato root modification and potato stem modification is another examples for analogy. Evolution by natural selection comes from England in a collection of moths made in 1850s. That is before industrialization set in. It was observed that there were more white-winged moths on trees than dark-winged on melanized moths. However, in the collection carried out from the same area, but after industrialization, that is in 1920, there were more darker-winged moths in the same area. That is, the proportion was reversed. The process of evolution of different species in a given geographical area, starting from a point and literally radiating to other area of geography habitats, is called adaptive radiation. Darwin finches represent one of the best examples of this phenomena. Another example is Australian marsupials. Darwin went to Galapagos Island, and the essence of Darwin theory about evolution is natural selection. Branching descent and natural selection are two key concepts of Darwinian theory of evolution. French naturalist Lamarck had said that evolution of life forms had occurred but driven by use and disuse of organs. Hugo de Varius, based on his work on evening primrose, brought forth the idea of mutations. Large difference arising suddenly in a population. Mutations are random and directionless, while Darwinian variations are small and directional. Evolution for Darwin was gradual, while de Varius believed mutation caused speciation and hence called it saltation. Single step large mutation. Hardy-Weinberg principle state that allele frequencies in a population are stable and is constant from generation to generation. 5 factors are known to affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. There are gene migration or gene flow, genetic drift mutation, genetic recombination, and natural selection. The original drifted population becomes founders and the effect is called founder effect. Natural selection is process in which heritable variations enabling better survival are enabled to reproduce and leave great number of progeny. About 2000 million years ago, MYA, the first cellular forms of life, appeared on Earth. At the time of 500 MYA, invertebrates were formed and active. Jawless fish probably evolved around 350 million years ago. Seaweeds and few plants existed probably around 320 MYA. Fish with stout and strong fins could move and land and go back to water. This was about 350 MYA. Some of these land reptiles went back into water to evolve into fish-like reptiles, probably 200 MYA. Examples: Ichthyosaurus. About 65 MYA, the dinosaurs suddenly disappeared from the earth. First mammals were like shrews. Their fossils are small sized. About 15 MYA, primates called Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus were existing. They were hairy and walked like gorillas and chimpanzees. Ramapithecus was more man-like, while Dryopithecus was more ape-like. Australopithecus probably lived in East African grasslands. Evidence shows they hunted with stone weapons but essentially ate fruit. Some of the bones among the bones discovered were different. This creature was called the first human-like being, the hominid, and was called Homo habilis. Of brain capacity were between 650-800 cc. They probably did not eat meat. Fossils discovered in Java in 1891 revealed the next stage, that is Homo erectus, about 1.5 MYA. Homo erectus had a large brain around 900 cc. Homo erectus probably ate meat. The Neanderthal man with a brain size of 1400 cc lived in Near East and Central Asia between 1 lakh to 14,000 years back. Used hide to protect their body and buried their dead. Homo sapiens arose in Africa and moved across continent and developed into distinct races. Prehistoric cave art developed about 18,000 years ago. Agriculture came around 10,000 years back and human settlement started. Visit my channel playlist. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.